it's too low or high, I can't tell anymore. I need this to be slightly taller. Okay. Hey, what is up you guys? I'm just kidding. Okay, good morning you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone, friends, family, fake friends. So my name is Sherry and I make content in... Why am I so short? Why is my camera so short? This is an issue, obviously. Let me try and make you guys taller a little bit. If you're here, you're probably wondering what I do. So I'm Sherry and I make video content in the areas of like health, of fun, of transitioning into the adult life. But essentially I just want to encourage people to honestly just be themselves, to love themselves and be confident, and also to just... It's okay to make mistakes, guys. I make mistakes all the time, and also I just hope that, you know, if you ever screw up in life, it's completely normal and fine, because there's someone like me who always screws up, so it's fine. And I think, yeah, just not to be too hard on yourself. I'm bringing you guys on a very wholesome and relaxing and healing adventure. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some yoga, some workouts, some socializing with human beings. And the reason why I chose today is because today is finally a day where I actually have a life, a social life. Now it's time to get high. Just don't do it alone. Good morning you guys. It's exactly... what time is it now? It's really early. It's exactly 5:44 AM right now. It also happens, it just so happens that it's Mental Health Awareness Day for NUS students, or like the National University of Singapore students. So today is a day for them to relax as well. There's no classes, yada yada yada, welfare pack. Yes, so I've disappeared from my channel for quite a few weeks actually, and the reason for that is because I've been so stressed. I'm just gonna be so upfront. I've been super stressed, and the reason for that is really because of the job hunting phase. So if you're younger than me, like perhaps you haven't gone through it, but I can tell you that when you hit this age, you're gonna understand every single word I'm saying here. Job hunting was so stressful. It's a lot of confusion, it's a lot of effort put in, it's a lot of rejection, of course. It's a lot of like improving yourself, trying to pitch yourself to others. Is very uncomfortable, and for all those reasons I just couldn't find like the energy or like the mental energy to make videos. I was so stressed with just trying to find a job, and I think I'm so thankful for like the support of like my friends. Like really, my friends are just so super helpful in meeting them later, and also just being able to talk about it right now also helps. It's only like 5 AM plus, like 5:45, but I'm so excited for the day ahead, and I've packed up a lot of like materials for me today. So I still need to study because I actually have an exam. I'm not so stressed about that, to be honest. I am completely carefree right now, but I still need to study. I've packed like a book in case I get bored, an audiobook as well, you know, that kind of thing. I've packed a lot of activities today for me to take care of myself. But yeah, I just feel so amazing today. Woohoo! Okay, so showing you guys my outfit right now. I think it's so cute. So it's like my very first Instagram reels. I spent like 1 hour yesterday trying to learn how to do it, and I spent so much time editing the video. My goodness. But on reels, everyone chose the pink/red outfit. But on my Insta story poll, everyone chose this blue one. So I decided to go along with this. But this is such a cute outfit, and it's actually the very first outfit that I've gotten from Moving Peach on Shopee. Very first outfit that I've gotten from Shopee in terms of athleisure or activewear. What am I talking about? And it's my very first time buying something of like the typical yoga material, so I think it's amazing. Like the quality of this material is fantastic. Usually I get Gymshark. Gymshark is very like cloth-ish material. This is definitely much more like polyester-ish. I'm not a scientist, so don't quote me on that, but it feels fantastic, and I actually really like this material. So I'll be linking it down below if you guys want, or maybe I won't, depends. It's so comfortable, so stretchy, and it's definitely gonna be squat proof, I hope. I'm so excited for today. So I'm gonna be putting some light makeup, and then I'm gonna be eating some food, and I'm gonna be filming everything. So let's go. Never really done this before, but I'm gonna be trying to do my skincare and makeup routine over here. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. Just putting on my toner first, quickly. I mean, like, I've not even made a video for ages, but I had so many ideas, and then I did not execute any of them. Very normal. very normal day for me. So now I'm done with my toner. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. UV Defender. Thank you to my friend who interns at L'Oreal for getting this for me as a gift. I love it. I love everything about it. So I'm gonna be putting it on. What am I just saying? Okay, now it's time for my makeup. So I'm gonna be using some quick CC cream from It Cosmetics. So this is where it gets more scientific and I need to really look at myself. I'll just cover some of the key blemishes I have on my face. It's really not rocket science, but... Okay, maybe I can tell you guys a little bit more about the stress that I've been going through. Not to mention the whole COVID-19 recession thing, making it harder to get a placement. And usually for any job position that you apply to, there's like 100 more people applying probably, and they only choose one. So in terms of the ratio, it's definitely really difficult. And you're not just so-called competing with Singaporeans and people from your batch, you're also competing with people from the next batch and the previous batch and international students and also foreigners and everything. So you're competing with a lot of people, so-called. So it can be really stressful for you to like put yourself out there, and trust me, the amount of rejection, confusion, ghosting that I've occurred, and the self-doubt that you face when you're job hunting is real. Trust me, it's real. Okay, that being said, yeah, you kind of feel like you're on your own. At least for me, that's how I felt on my job hunting journey. Yeah, so sometimes you're like, you know, you have the friends that are like, do you just get a job and you didn't tell me? What the heck? I found out on LinkedIn. Why didn't you tell me? But on the other hand, there's like friends that will tell you and like be there to support you, and it's just so fun when you have a friend to do everything with. It's still stressful, of course. Yeah, so now I think I'm about done. I love my quick makeup routine because it's just so efficient. Not me complimenting myself on my mental wellness day. So this. Yeah, I'm a very non-meticulous person, so I guess I'm not gonna say that in my interview, but in general, it's like my bronzer can. Okay, very good. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything. It just has to be bronzy. And I love putting the shimmery color, Stunner, on my collarbones. I feel like it pops it out. You know what I mean? It pops out. Pops this sister out. And I've been reconnecting with a lot of people and just trying to be more social, I guess. Spending a lot more time with my boyfriend. It's always fun. Spending more time on myself. Reading up on companies, working out a little bit here and there. Studying a little bit, just a little bit. Watching lecture videos. Group projects. Hall life is kind of half non-existent, but it's just because I'm year 5. I'm sorry, but I love you guys. And well, family stuff, normal things. My life is not exceptionally bamboozling, but really glad that you guys are here. So I watched Castaway yesterday, and yes, it was a very depressing movie. It was a very depressing movie, but it really made me feel so appreciative for every single thing I have. Like even just a light, it's just amazing. Okay, and shoes, not to mention the shoes. Like y'all should definitely watch Castaway again if you ever feel like you need some motivation in life. Okay. Okay. Shit. Not me putting my own alarm. Okay, right now it's exactly 6 AM. Ouch, my feet hurt. Why did I do that? Random idea, but I thought of this genius idea of like braiding my hair. So this is what it looks like on the left side, and on the right side, this is what I look like. 2 completely different human beings. Okay, me praying that my camera does not drop. Mine did. Actually did. I'm not the best braider, to be honest, but I do think that I have done a great deal of improvement. Sometimes I wonder if I am actually an adult, given that I have still very kiddie thoughts. Let me know if I'm the only adult battling with this problem, because I feel like it's a worldwide phenomenon when one feels like they've actually grown up and want to be held accountable for any actions. But that being said, I have to live with this state of being an adult right now, and kind of wish that I did more when I was young. Not that I did not do enough, it's just that I did not do enough adulting prep mentally, which means that there's a lot of things that I feel like can be improved upon. So something that I've been learning lately is, for instance, like data analytics, personal finance, learning how to kind of like take care of myself better. So like skincare things, clothes, you know, kind of doing more things to just take care of the quality of the items better so they don't spoil, like cleaning the bike, all these kind of boring things. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Clearing out the trash more. That's what I've been doing thus far. Okay. Alright, all awesome and ready to go. Let's go. Whoa! Yo! Thank you, you too, babe. Hello, how are you? Hi, I'm so happy to see you. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, you wanna say hi? Officially. Okay. Hi guys. Oh yeah, that's the thing.
Wait.
Yo! Okay, you wanna take out your camera?
Yes.
You can say hi together, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, we're both so extra, what even?
Hey!
It's like what, 6 AM right now? Even no, it's 7. No, 6:30.
6:30.
6:30 AM right now, guys.
Cherry's back.
Hello, I'm back. Okay, we're gonna go out right now. Let's go. Yolsies.
Can we go?
I don't know, I have no idea. Are we that early?
No, the guy was like, registration starts at 6:45.
Oof, okay, fine. Then I will wait for a while. You look so pretty. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Are you excited? Dude, the background is so nice. Like, this whole place is so pretty. Okay. Let's do
it. Now it's time to get high. Just don't do it alone. Get your friends by your side.
Kinda want to touch it right. Isn't that amazing? It's so nice. I know. It's so pretty. Look at that. Right? Whoa.
Oh my god. First time up here.
You're so nice, right?
Whoa.
I know, it's captivating. It's so pretty. Look at the view.
Oh my god, you literally can see everything.
Yes. I'm finally on the 56th floor. Oh, okay, yeah, the main MBS is right there. Can you see?
Yeah.
So nice. Wow. Welcome to Singapore. Okay. How's it, JD? Are you having fun?
This is amazing.
Right? Get to do yoga up here. Okay.
That's so awesome.
I know, it's so pretty.
One in a lifetime experience.
I feel like Hong Kong has so many taller buildings though, I have no idea.
Yeah, that is true.
That is true, right? That is
That's
true.
very true.
Morning.
Morning.
Alright, just have to fill up the front row first.
Okay.
Don't remove your mask until the instructor
you.
tell you so, okay? Just
Okay,
stay
thank you
on
so
your
much.
mat at all times.
Alright. Wow. Okay, we got our headphones and our towel. Okay, we fill up the front. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. Look at the sunrise.
Oh my god.
Right? And look at that sunrise. You know, hey, should we go here? Actually, no. How do you use it?
Actually, there's no need, nothing much to it. It's already on, so
Okay.
you don't have to do anything to it. The only thing is the volume dial is on the other side.
Oh.
Okay, so just make sure that if you need to turn louder or softer, just shift it accordingly, because all the instructions and the music will be going through here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
cool.
Enjoy the classes. See you in a bit.
Wow, so thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay guys, so we got our headphones over here. I don't really know what to do about that, but okay, so apparently the instructions will come through the headsets.
Now it's time to get high. Just don't do it alone. Get your friends by your side and have the chillest of time. Stay crowded, let gravity take you. I don't know where we'll go. I don't know.
Hey JD, how's your class?
That was good. That
was so
felt
good, right?
That
Yeah.
felt a good stretch.
I like a nap also. Look at the views. Guys, breakfast time. You know what time it is now?
It's currently 8:30.
8:30 a.m. Okay, we're gonna enjoy our dim sum.
Our Hong Kong dim sum.
Can
That
you
was
please
craving.
bring me to Hong Kong one day? I'll be so
Yes.
happy. Yes. How was your core workout today, JD?
It was hella stressful.
Stressful.
So fit.
The ball part.
So fit.
No,
Good.
I practiced so
Good
hard.
coach. Good coach. Good
Thank
coach.
you.
It's like you can do it. You also need to imagine it. You know, you have to picture. You have to focus on that spot. Because
Okay,
usually I focus.
Yeah.
I feel more on my legs.
They call it like mind-muscle connection. So like you try and think of like where you want to build muscle. Yeah. It was so fun.
Okay, say bye.
See y'all. Job hunting is just so uncomfortable because you have to put yourself out there. You know what you're saying is cringy. You have to accept it and move on as well. You have to, you know, have the constant fear of not really having a placement, especially in a recession like that. You also don't really know who you can talk to about this because a lot of my friends also got a job already. And you know, it's also a bit awkward to talk to people that haven't gotten a job yet because it's stressful for them as well. Yeah, it's just a stressful situation, long story short, a lot of anxiety and everything like that, and sometimes people are not replying you and you have to awkwardly try and chase them a little bit. Not to mention you have to create multiple tailored, customized CVs, cover letters, things like that, and your LinkedIn profile has to be upgraded a little bit. You need to tell people that you're open to work, which is one of the most awkward things ever. You need to ask for a referral. I would say it's not uncomfortable, but you know, you kind of feel like you're depending or like relying on a lot of people to help you at one period of time, which is very, very stressful. And also, not to mention, if you get an offer that you don't really want, you need to tell the person you don't want the offer. And also sometimes you're doing an interview and the person asks you, you know, are you interviewing with other people? You need to tell them, and I mean, you don't have to, but it's just a very awkward situation overall, okay? And not to mention all the times where you're asked interview questions that are things that you might not have prepared for, or things that you have to kind of like quickly think on the spot. It's just very, very mind-boggling. It's just been tormentous. Is that even a word? Tormentuous? I don't know. Tormenting. It's Sherry here, and we're done.
I got so much back, I think I'm never running out, yeah. Bust me down the wood, bitch, I don't do this for no clout, hey. I got so much back, I think I'm never running